Hey everyone, this is Jamela. I am back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, how about you go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Here you'll be inspired to thrift your house into a home. Now, in all my other videos, you know that I am a fond collector of vintage barware. Now, I don't dub myself as an avid drinker or anything like that, but I do like to partake in a cocktail every now and then. But having these vintage glassware displayed and for use, I just think it's a wonderful feeling because they have such character to the older glasses. So every now and then I call myself getting fancy and having a drink. But to feed my fetish, I joined a Facebook group called the Mid-Century Barware, and it makes me want to go out and get more, but of course I'm not going to do that, and I'm just sharing a few of their drinks and the glasses that they have. And I said, well, you know what, I think I want to try to jump on board and just do one. So I'm going to let my son show you my favorite cocktail. Jamil is going to show us how to make our favorite drink, and that's called a royal flush. We're going to start with some crown apple, some peach schnapps, some razzmatazz, and some cranberry juice.
All right, so what you want to do is just start off with the main drink in there, which is your crown apple. Now, if you like your drinks a little more on the weaker side, I would use a smaller shot glass portion. But if you want them strong like us, you want to go with the larger side. So what you want to do is start with 4 shots of the crown. And we are not sponsored by Crown or anything that we have out here today. All right, so the key part to this is how many shots of Crown you put in there. You want to put about half of the peach schnapps. So we put 4 shots of the Crown. So we're gonna go with 2 of these. All right. Then you want to get 1 full shot of the razzmatazz. If you were making a little bit less, you'll put about a half a shot of this instead. And then you want to add a little cranberry juice in there to top it off. All right. Get it nice and healthy looking. Get your drink in the shaker. Give it a good little mix. And depending on if you like it just chilled or with ice, go ahead and pour you a cup. And it's ready to go.
Thank you, Jamil. And when we all get together, these drinks be on and popping all night long. We have a good time. They're the barmeister and I am the chef. So it's all about having fun in your home, because remember, beauty is being home and loving it. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode. I hope you like this video and give the drink a try. Just drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.